Hey, Johnny, are we recording? Excellent. How's it going, guys? It's Marlon Muhammad Johnson here from Sheeple Television News. Just a friendly reminder to any of you guys who thought this year might be your year. It's not. This is the year where we crush you into oblivion. You didn't really think that the elites were going to be held accountable for the Epstein files or for COVID, did you? You think it's bad now? Just keep pushing for truth and see what happens. Blackouts, famines, wars, pandemics. You guys haven't seen nothing yet. Just you wait.